Today's article shares 3 things we must learn to let go of, but rarely do. Life is fleeting, like a blink in history's long flow. We experience ups and downs, partings and reunions, hope and despair, sweetness and bitterness, gains and losses, successes and failures. Life, in essence, is a game where everything we gain or lose will eventually disappear. To enjoy life, we need to learn what to hold on to and what to let go. A common question is, what's something you learned only after many years? One popular answer resonates deeply: learning to let go. This concept is also highlighted in the author Chunshen's novel Spring Night, blending fiction with the real story of Shanghai's Chunshen machinery factory, a once thriving place now in decline. The workers fought to keep it alive, but it ultimately couldn't be saved. Here are the 3 things in life we must learn to let go. Pride. Murat, a factory manager, was consumed by pride. Afraid to admit his inability to save the factory, he moved the factory to a distant location, hoping to revive it, and even involved employees in risky investments. However, things went wrong, leaving him in debt and forcing him to flee. In Paris, he lived a hard life as a cab driver and ended up in a wheelchair. Isolated from his family, pride robbed him of a peaceful life with his loved ones. If he had been open with his employees, they might have found a safer path. Letting go of pride would have saved him much pain. Obsession. Shanghai's grandfather, once a factory worker, made him promise to find Murat. Driven by this obsession, Shanghai married Myra's daughter just to track him down. After searching tirelessly, he found Murat in Paris but did not seek revenge. Instead, he cared for the paralyzed man. Shanghai's journey reflects the saying, "A heavy burden becomes light when dropped." Learning to release our obsessions frees us and brings peace. Hurt. Myra's daughter, Zihe, endured immense pain due to her father's actions. Once admired by those around her, her life changed drastically when debt collectors targeted her family, isolating her and forcing her into a life of hiding. Even as she married Shanghai, she kept her life quiet to avoid attention. When she finally met her father, she forgave him rather than resenting him for abandoning her. This reflects a truth. To find peace, we must let go of past hurt. We come into this world not to carry burdens forever, but to live freely. Only by releasing pride, obsession, and hurt can we move forward. Today's sharing ends here. Don't forget to like and share.